Today we're making shower disc. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making shower disc. You know, those discs that gives you that nice scent so that when you breathe in, it'll help clear up your sinuses. These are really easy to make. I know if you go out to the store and get them, they're sort of expensive, but they just take some ingredients. The only thing which you might not have is this. This is arrowroot. Arrowroot is an ingredient which helps hold scent. However, if you don't have arrowroot, you can use then cornstarch, but it's up to you. Cornstarch, arrowroot, just whatever you want, and baking soda. I mean, those are simple ingredients. I'm going to combine the two and then mix them up. I'm just using a fork to make sure that my baking soda doesn't have clumps in it. Then once I'm fairly satisfied that my baking soda doesn't have clumps in it, I'm then going to mix it with just a whisk. Once these are mixed well, we're going to use our essential oils. You want to use 2, but there is something I can tell you. If you are, say, allergic to eucalyptus oil, you can go with straight peppermint oil or vice versa, but it's up to you. How much you're going to have to use? We're going to use about 60 drops of eucalyptus oil. I like to scatter my drops of eucalyptus oil. I did 20 drops, then I'm going to mix it in. You can really smell that right now. Then I'm going to do another 20 drops. Mix that in. The reason that I'm mixing this in as I go is so that it really does incorporate into our mixture. Last set of 20. And now peppermint oil. Now that we've got our oils and our baking soda mixture all in there, we're going to slowly and carefully sprinkle in water. Why are we doing this slowly? Because it's going to want to fizz. I'm going to switch from the whisk to a fork, which will help mash it in together. You can really smell the eucalyptus and the peppermint. Now you have a mixture which is you can feel that it's packable. I'm going to take just a bit more water because our air is a little bit dry today and spritz over the top. How much water you add is really going to depend upon your day. Now the easy part. I'm going to place it into my mold and just pack it in. I'm using mini cupcake molds or muffin molds, depending upon what you want to call them. You can use your favorite mold, whatever you want. The thing I found is with these, it comes out really easy. These come out with no problem. I'm using about 2 heaping tablespoons of our mixture per cupcake tin. That way it really does press in well. The one thing you will notice is I'm not using my hands. The reason is this is highly scented and it will make your hands smell like eucalyptus and peppermint. Not that that's a bad thing, but you might not want your hands to smell like that all day. Any extra, I'll just reach my fingers in and place it into any ones that are not filled up as high as I think they should be. Once those are all filled, I'll sit this off to the side and let it dry overnight. Once your discs have dried overnight, you'll pop them out of the molds and you will have these. Place these in your shower. I like to put mine in the soap holder so that way the water will just hit it just lightly and the scent will fill up your bathroom. Now I have found closing the bathroom door is the best thing to do, and it releases that nice eucalyptus and peppermint smell, and it really does help clear up your sinuses. Now you can make these stronger or you can make them, whatever, but you can use these scents simply because the peppermint and the eucalyptus really do help open up your sinuses. Now if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I love making these things for you, and it's so much fun to do. If this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that like button and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. Let me know if you've made this down in the comments. Let me know if you did any changes or what other things you'd like to see me do. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.